There's an ocean of difference between opinion and truth. And the world has told us for a very long time that opinion is the same as truth. And it can be described as my truth, when in point of fact, truth and opinion are very different creatures. We can get into some very dangerous waters depending on which topic we choose, so we're going to stay safe. Half 100 years ago, I saw a cartoon where there were two people standing on opposite ends of a figure that was drawn in the sand. And this one said, it's a 6, and this one said, it's a 9. Because from my side, it looks like a 6, and from my side, it looks like a 9. The lesson that the author of this particular caricature was trying to convey was that truth is subjective. Because from my side of the argument, it looks like a 6. But from your side of the argument, it looks like a 9. And both are true. They can't both be true if one of them is wrong. There's a point that the cartoon doesn't address. Somebody wrote that sigil on the ground. Somebody made that figure in the sand. The person that put it there had a very clear idea of what it was. Whether it was a 6 or a 9 is immaterial. But the people standing around didn't have a clear idea of what it was. The author tries to draw attention to the possibility of objective truth and that nobody can really know what's going on in somebody else's life. And just because my life says that that's going to have to be a 6, your life can say that that has to be a 9. Somebody put that sigil in the sand, and they know whether it's a 6 or a 9. One of them is true, and one of them is false. Where I'm standing has no bearing on what the truth is. Rather than argue over what my opinion is, I need to go back to the author, find out what they were trying to say, and deduce from them whether it's a 6 or a 9. The purpose of finding truth is to live harmoniously.